Hey YouTube, it's the introvert marketer here, and today I'm going to be talking about how I personally cured pinworms in myself. A long time ago, I went to the giant supermarket and got some, I think it was turkey meat. And since I don't know how to cook that well, I didn't cook it good enough. So it was half done. And before I put it back on the stove, I already eaten like probably 20% of that before I found the pink inside it. Long after that, I received a itchy butthole, and it was stinging, needling, and burning. And since it's up inside you, you don't want to reach your hand in there. And another thing, they come out and do their thing around nighttime. So if I wasn't in bed, like up all night doing something like I do, I stay up at night sometimes. I'm unable to get to sleep because my booty hole itches so much from the pinworms. I know it's pinworms because I do research. I looked it up in the symptoms, and I also looked up the cure. So I got here pumpkin seed oil. This right here I got from the Whole Food store. And the pumpkin seed oil, it paralyzes the parasite. So it tells you that humans are supposed to eat plants because pumpkin is, I think it's called a starch vegetable. And so the outside part past the outer area, the rind, you can eat that. And then the seeds contain zinc. They're, the inside and the seed area is alkaline. You can eat the seeds and provide plant-based zinc from a living source that is alkaline. So I noticed the effects of the zinc from the seeds that you can eat. Now, the oil from the seed is what paralyzes the parasite. Got this too. Do not exceed 2. I made that mistake once because it'll upset your stomach if you take 2 a day. Now you got the pill for the allicin. ALLICIN. That's the extract from the garlic. I chose the pill because I was tired of eating raw garlic because it's hot and it burns my chest when I swallow that. I used to chew it hot and go behind it to get rid of the hot burningness in my mouth with some pumpkin from a can. That makes it possible for you to swallow it, but I get tired of that, so I went and got the pills. The garlic with the allicin is known to be poisonous, because in case you didn't know, garlic is potentially a poison for humans. If you use it like smear the oily allicin on a blade and cut somebody, they say that that scar or wound will not heal. Also, garlic is not alkaline. It is a sulfur-based plant that is a hybrid, and it is acidic. So that's why there's calcium, sulfur, maybe zinc in it, and that's why it burns. It is acidic in nature. So to the parasites, chances are it burns them, or their entire body is exposed to the allicin fluids. So that could be why they die from garlic and are, so basically I paralyzed them with pumpkin seed oil and killed them with allicin from the garlic. After that, they were gone. It probably took 3 days, but you just have to keep going because the intestinal tract is quite long, and dumping was work. That's how I got rid of my pinworm parasites